Hello student, myself Kishoran Gujar, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics. Today I am going to explain the topic Q value of nuclear reaction. We know that nuclear reaction is represented like this. Here A is incidenting particle having mass Ma and energy Ea. X is the target nuclei having mass Mx and energy Ex. Y is recoil nuclei or product nuclei having mass My and energy Ey, and B is ejected particle having mass Mb and energy Ey. In nuclear reaction, net energy of a reaction can be defined as difference of kinetic energy of products and kinetic energy of reactant, as the total energy is equal to rest mass energy plus kinetic energy. So in this reaction, initial energy or the energy of reactant can be written as Ei is equal to mx square. This is rest mass energy of target nuclei plus Ex, that is kinetic energy of target nuclei, plus mac square, rest mass energy of incidenting particle, plus Ea, that is kinetic energy of incidenting particle. Similarly, final energy or energy of product can be written as Ef is equal to myc square, that is rest mass energy of product nuclei, plus Ey, that is kinetic energy of product nuclei, plus mbc square, that is the rest mass energy of ejected particle, plus Eb, kinetic energy of ejected particle. According to law of conservation, Ei is equal to Ef. Then this expression can be written as mx plus mac square, here c square is common, plus Ex plus Ea is equal to my plus mb c square, again here c square common, plus Ey plus Eb. Then the Q value, Q is equal to Ey plus Eb minus Ea is equal to, just we rewrite this expression like this, Ey plus Eb minus Ea is equal to mx plus mac square minus my plus mb c square. So here the Ex is equal to 0 because when the fast moving particle strikes the target nuclei, here the target nuclei is assumed to be at rest, so that the kinetic energy possessed by the target nuclei is equal to 0. Therefore, Ex is equal to 0. Then this expression becomes Q is equal to Ey plus Eb minus Ea is equal to mx plus mac square minus my plus mb c square. Then the Q value of nuclear reaction is defined as the total energy released or absorbed in the reaction. Or according to this expression, the Q value may also defined as difference between kinetic energy of the product and that of incident particle. Next, we will move on to expression for Q value. the Q value of nuclear reaction can be written as Q is equal to EY plus EB minus EA. Here the term EY representing the recoil energy of the product nucleus and is very small and hence difficult to measure experimentally. We therefore eliminate it by using the law of conservation of linear momentum. EB, kinetic energy of ejected particle, EA, kinetic energy of incidenting particle. We know that to get nuclear reaction, we require incidenting particle or projectile having mass ma and velocity va, when it strikes the target nuclei having mass mx, it produces the product nuclei and ejected particle. The product nuclei and ejected particle travel different direction and which makes an angle phi and theta along incident direction. Now we can resolve the momentum of recoil nuclei into two components, that is my vy cos phi along x-axis, my vy sin phi along y-axis. Similarly, the momentum of ejected particle resolved into two components, that is mb vb cos theta along x-axis, mb vb sin theta along y-axis. Now applying law of conservation of linear momentum to the reaction, we know that the conservation of linear momentum, it states that momentum before collision is equal to the momentum after collision. The momentum before collision can be written as MAVA plus MXVX. Since the target nuclei is at rest, the velocity of the target nuclei is equal to 0. That's why the term MXVX, it's become 0. Therefore, the linear momentum before collision along x-axis is taken as MAVA, and the linear momentum after collision along x-axis is taken as My Vy cos phi plus Mb Vb cos theta. Therefore, along x direction, Ma Va is equal to My Vy cos phi plus Mb Vb cos theta. Similarly, the momentum along y direction, it can be written as My Vy sin phi is equal to Mb Vb sin theta. Here there is no component y component before collision, therefore the expression can be written as My Vy sin phi minus Mb Vb sin theta, or My Vy sin phi is equal to Mb Vb sin theta. Then rearrange the equation 3, we get My Vy cos phi is equal to Ma Va minus Mb Vb cos theta. Now square and adding equation 4 and 5, we can get here My square Vy square sin square phi is equal to M square B V square B sin square theta. Similarly, equation 5 become My square Vy square cos square phi. Here it is in the form of a minus b whole square. You know that a minus b is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here Ma square Va square plus mb square vb square minus 2 ma va mb vb cos theta. Now adding these two equations, here we can get m square y v square y is equal to m square a v square a plus m square b v square b minus 2 ma va mb vb cos theta. We know that the expression of kinetic energy can be written as E is equal to half mv square. For incidenting particle, the kinetic energy can be written as Ea is equal to 1 by 2 ma va square, or va square can be written as 2 Ea by ma. Similarly, for ejecting particle, the kinetic energy is half mb vb square. Here the vb square can be written as 2eb by mb. Similarly, the kinetic energy of target nuclei, it can be written as 1 by 2 my vy square, or vy square can be written as 2ey by my. Now putting the value of v square a, v square b and v square y in equation 6, we get 2 my ey is equal to 2 ma ea minus 4 into ma mb ea eb to the power 1 by 2 cos theta plus 2 mb vb. Here then this expression can be written as ey is equal to ma my ea. Here 2 get cancelled, my is come to the denominator, plus mb my eb minus 2 by my ma mb ea eb to the power 1 by 2 cos theta. So here 2 get cancelled, my is come to denominator. Then we know that from the expression of q value, the q is equal to ey plus eb minus ea. Substitute the value of ey. Then here we can get ma my ea plus mb my eb minus 2 my ma mb ea eb to the power 1 by 2 cos theta plus eb minus ea. Now here from these two terms, ea is taken as common, then ma minus mb by ma into ea. From these two terms, eb is taken as common, then mb plus my by my into eb minus 2 my ma mb ea eb to the power 1 by 2 cos theta. So this is an expression of the q value of nuclear reaction. If the product particle emerges right angle to incident direction, for special case when we are eject the particle at an angle theta is equal to 90 degree, then cos 90 is equal to 0, then this term becomes 0, then q value is become ma minus my by my ea plus mb plus my by my into eb. So this is an expression of the q value of nuclear reaction. Thank you.